Well, we all know the benefits of getting a good sweat going, getting the body buff and keeping your heart healthy. But what about the one muscle that you might not realize needs a workout every single day? More and more studies are showing that the brain needs exercise too. And working out that very important muscle helps you prevent brain cell loss, and it keeps your mental edge. It is called Nuerobics, and it's a mixture of those fun brain teaser games and all-around healthy lifestyle. Stephen Gardner is a doctor at New York Methodist Hospital, and he joins me now. Dr. Gardner, good to have you here.
Good to have you.
So tell me a little bit about what what you're thinking in terms of 5 ways we want to tell everybody that you can kind of keep your brain sharp and keep it going.
You know, the first thing you have to do is to make sure your heart and the rest of the body are in good shape. So by doing aerobic exercise routinely, that you keep the heart healthy and the brain healthy. Eating right, eating not high cholesterol, eating not high sugars helps to keep the brain healthy. So that's important. If you don't have a healthy body, you don't have a healthy brain.
So first you have to do the exercise, then you have to eat right. And then on top of that, what can you do to sort of little tricks that you're going to tell us about to keep your brain sharp?
Now, there's some little things you can do things a little differently. For example, if you're a right-handed person, you brush your teeth with your right hand each morning, switch to your left hand. This helps to strengthen connections within the brain so that you have additional support that you wouldn't have. We used to think that the brain stopped growing at age 30, but you can continue this. The other thing you're going to do, do something that's different from what you usually do. If you sit in a seat all the time, on the left-hand side, sit on the right-hand side so that you have a different perspective. Again, this keeps the brain challenged. Play games that require strategy. For example, you can quiz one another. It's good if it's done in social situations. For example, if I ask you, Martha, what part of the body can you make plural without adding an S, but changing the vowels? Could you think of something like that? So I'll let you think about it for a while.
Thank you. I'm going to think about that.
That's one of the things. Reduce stress. Very important. Stress destroys the brain connections by producing a hormone called cortisol.
Feet.
You got it. Feet. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, Dr. Avlo. He's feeding me the answers. It's really interesting. So we're going to, close our eyes while we wash our hair and take a different route to work and do whatever we can to keep those brain cells from deteriorating. Sometimes I feel like they're going by the minute.
Yeah, you can tell how old your brain is. If you're 30 years old, you should be able to stand on one foot with your eye closed for 30 seconds. If you're 45 or above, you should be able to close your eyes and stand on one foot for 15 seconds. So it gives you an idea. But don't do that unsupervised, because I don't want to get sued from people falling. Okay.
I'm going to try that, though, as soon as we're done. Dr. Gardner, thank you very much.